so we will clean this machine. Power on. This one only, we don't have the alcohol, so glass cleaner. This is the card. We'll keep like that. Okay. So we'll clean this area, the rubber, this one here, and here, and here. Okay, so we just need to press this button from here, this button, to roll the screw. See? Here, just press this one. That's enough. See the rubber here. By the way, I already cleaned this one, so this one is only the thing. So the remove guard after cleaning this rubber here is gone, and now the printer can print. Okay, so this is what I did. I just cleaned this one here, this rubber here, and this area, the feeder, and this is also the roller here. So previously this is the dirty from the roller. After that, I turn on the printer and it's working fine. So now let's check. Okay. So after that, checking the ribbon, the error is gone and I can print now. Okay, it's ready. I will try to print. I'm sending now the print. Oh, the USB is not connected. Let me connect the USB. Wait, hold on. Something wrong. So I have now. I will print again. It says speeding card. Ooh. What's wrong? Okay. Mechanical error. Okay. Let's go. Hold on. My part is. now it's printing. Good. See? So just need only to clean this one, the roller. Okay, everything is fine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye.